In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your profile analytics, which is a great way to see what your activity on LinkedIn is doing. So here we are on the LinkedIn homepage, and you can either go in here where you see it says post impressions, or you can go to your profile, and from your profile you will also have the capability to view the analytics. And here you can see the analytics bar. Just click on show all analytics. This one here will show you your post impressions, followers, profile viewers, search appearances, new newsletter subscribers, newsletter articles if you have that. And when you click on any of the boxes, you'll get a lot more detail. So here you can see what's happened over the last 7 days. But by using this menu up here, I can change it, for example, to the last 28 days. It will show me what the activity has been and if it's gone up or down. And I can also change from impressions to engagements, and it will show me that information as well. I would recommend checking your analytics at least twice a month, just to get an indication of what's working, what isn't working, what are the best times to post for you and your network. Because down here you also get a list of what are your top performing posts in terms of engagement or in terms of impressions. Then you can go and see, why did this post perform so well? Is it something that you can repeat? I trust you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist for other functionality on LinkedIn.